In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the loss of inventory in Teleprime. As we can see here, it says 500 button shirts damaged. That is inventory loss. Now it is not mentioned either it is in the normal manufacturing process or it is due to mishandling. So we will consider it as abnormal loss. Let's see how we can deal with this. First of all, in Teleprime, from the gateway of Tele, I'll just click on vouchers and we will pass a simple journal entry for it. Just make sure on the right that the right voucher is selected. Journal is disabled. That means we are already in the journal account. And loss of inventory, I'll just create a new ledger account because we don't have it. Alt C, loss of inventory is my ledger name and it's an indirect expense. Type of ledger not applicable, rounding method not applicable, and Control A to save. The amount is 500 and credit should be inventory, but all the inventories is connected to purchases in Teleprime. So as we select purchases, it will automatically switch to inventory allocation screen. There we can easily allocate it to button shirts. Tracking number is not applicable. Order number is also not applicable. Quantity is 500. Rate is 1. This makes the total to 500. Press Control A. Control A. And now we are back on the main screen. Just copy and paste this narration right here and press Control A to save. And this is how we can deal with the loss of inventory in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.